So when voltage, current and power of any bilateral network, you are going to calculate by Thevenin's theorem, Kirchhoff's law, superposition theorem, Norton's theorem, all are same. Result will be same. But it depends upon the how can you use Thevenin's theorem. It is for when transmission line is used, long distance transmission is taken into account, and that time we have to reduce the network complexity. Due to that, we use Thevenin's theorem and Norton's theorem. Now, for Thevenin's theorem, in this slide, you are seeing that there are so many network resistances are connected, and these are the open point. Okay, and this one point is open, this point is open, and we have to calculate the voltage across A and B. So first of all, we have to convert any network by one source and one equivalent resistance. That source is V Thevenin and the resistance that is R Thevenin. Okay. Am I audible? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
First of all, the first slide, please note. No. I have told that from 4:30. So who have not joined, please. I will join them today, but next day they will join at time. Okay. So please message them. Okay. Now, first of all, in Thevenin's theorem, see the network in which two types of sources are available. If you have a BL Thereja book or PDF, have you downloaded it? Then open the book, voltage source and current source. If voltage source is there, then it will be short circuited, and if current source is there, then it will be open circuited. Suppose in the first slide, there is this point is open, this point is open first, and this point is open. So now, if this point is open, it means there is current source. This point is open, it means it has current source. This one is short circuited, it means there is voltage source. Now, first of all, come on, second slide. Here, this is V Thevenin and this is R Thevenin. Now, how can you calculate R Thevenin? How can you calculate R Thevenin? R Thevenin by open circuiting the current source and short circuiting the voltage source. You will calculate equivalent resistance of the network. Okay. So first, see the slide number 1. In slide number 1, what will be the equivalent resistance of this network? Here, this is open circuited, this one is open circuited, this one is short circuited. Now, suppose you are at point A and B, and you are viewing the circuit from A and B. What will be the combination, series or parallel of these resistances? R1 and R2 will be in parallel. Is it okay?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And then R1 and R2 is in parallel, and R3 will be in series of that R1 and R2.
Yes, ma'am.
And this combination will be in parallel of R4. So equivalent resistance of this network will be R1 parallel R2, R3 will be in series, and R4 will be in parallel. Now that will be the R Thevenin. That is R Thevenin. And next point for V Thevenin. V Thevenin, that is open circuit voltage VOC at A and B. What will be the open circuit voltage at A and B? For that, you will calculate how will you calculate the open circuit voltage at A and B? You have to calculate the current here across R4, and what will be the drop across R4? That will be drop across VAB. Is it clear? Is it clear or not? Please
No,
tell
Yes,
me.
ma'am. Clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
What is not clear? Please tell me. What is clear and what is not clear? Please tell me.
Ma'am, R Thevenin is R net.
R equivalent. R
Yes, ma'am.
equivalent, that is not R net. R net is different term and R equivalent is different term. Here R net is not used. Here R equivalent is used when the voltage source and current source of the circuit will be deactivated. How it will be deactivated? Current source will be opened and voltage source will be short circuited. Okay, then you have to calculate. Now there is question, no one is asking that how A and B is coming. How A and B is coming. Suppose in any network, here one load is given across A and B, that is R5. Connect it or draw it in your copy. R5 will be connected to A and B. Connect it. Okay. Now, when you are using Thevenin's theorem, first of all, step 1 is said that, first of all, replace the load resistance where you have to calculate different parameters. Suppose and assume here R5 is load resistance, where we have to calculate power, voltage, and current. So that point is A and B. First of all, R5 will be connected to A and B. Question is that calculate voltage, power, and current across R5. Step 1 is reduce or omit that load resistance where we have to calculate different parameters. Is it clear?
Yes.
Is it clear? Okay. Now, after removing that load resistance, open circuit if current source is present, and short circuited if voltage source is present. Here, this point is open circuited, and this point is open circuited, and this point, last point, is short circuited. Means there was voltage source. Here at 2 points, there were current source. Now, calculate the equivalent resistance from end A to B. ठीक है. Now here in circuit of figure 5 with source deactivated, now place an ohmmeter across A and B and read the resistance R1, R2, R3, R4 and 20 ohm and R3 5 ohm. Then meter reads 5 ohm. Here calculate R1, R2, R4 equal to 20 ohm and R3 equal to 5 ohm. Calculate the equivalent resistance and tell me what will be the equivalent resistance. Be quick.
15 to 35 mm.
Huh?
35 mm. R1 and R2 are in parallel, so 10. R3 is 5,
Yeah.
15, and R4 is in series, so again
No.
20.
Here it is.
So 35.
No. It is written here R1, R2, R4 is 20. R1, R2 and R4 is 20 and R3 is 5. And R1 and R2 is parallel.
Yes, ma'am. So 10 will
So
come out.
20 is parallel. So it will be 10. R1 and R2 is in parallel.
Yes, ma'am.
So 20 by 2, that will be 10.
Yes,
10.
ma'am.
10
And
series with R3, ma'am. So
R3 is in series with that. So 10 plus 5 is 15. And R4 is 20.
Yes, ma'am.
20 into 15. Now this R4 and whatever is here 15, that is in parallel.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Ma'am,
20.
140 by 7.
60 by 7.
60 by 7.
60 by 7 आएगा ma'am.
60 by 7.
Okay, whatever. Now this is the process. Now calculate the current, assuming here voltage is not given. How we can calculate voltage across A and B? That will be the V Thevenin. Now come on, second point, second slide. Here, this is V Thevenin and this one is R Thevenin. So both are connected in series. And across A and B, we will connect the load resistance which will be omitted from the network, R5. I have said that connect R5 across A and B. So current across the circuit, that is equal to I equal to V Thevenin upon R Thevenin plus R5. V Thevenin upon R Thevenin plus R5 or RL, R5 or RL, whatever that is suited for you. Here, third one, Thevenin, we can now it reconnect here network to it. This is connected here. That is, we have omitted for the load resistance. That is, it can be said that network 2 or load network across the point, across the terminal A and B. So I equal to V Thevenin upon R Thevenin plus whatever the resistance here connected. This is the Thevenin's theorem. Now, Thevenin's theorem and just reverse, one is Norton's theorem. Norton's theorem, what is Norton's theorem? We can, now here Thevenin's theorem again, this is another example. Suppose here V Thevenin 1, R Thevenin 1, here R Thevenin 2, V Thevenin 2, both are connected in series. both networks are connected in series, what will be the result? This is for network 1, this is for network 2. You can say that. Here two voltages, VThevenin 1 and VThevenin 2, RThevenin 1 and RThevenin 2. But we will not go through this type of network. We will discuss about this type of network in future when we will face the problem in AC or three-phase network. So leave it. This part you can only know that if two networks are connected in series, one network has VThevenin 1 and RThevenin 1. Second network, it has VThevenin 2 and RThevenin 2. Both are connected in series. Again, you can take it with Kirchhoff's KVL. You can apply here KVL and you can calculate the current. Now, come on this part. Example, please solve it. Find Vx by first finding VThevenin and RThevenin to the left of AB. Left of AB. So, first of all, remove 2 ohm resistance from A to B. Now, short-circuited this voltage source. What will be the equivalent resistance? Tell me.
8.
8. ठीक है? 8 ohm resistance. Now, calculate the open circuit voltage at A and B. This is 8 ohm. 8 ohm. बाकी लोग देखिए इस स्लाइड में कैसे निकाला. 12 and 6, whatever I have said earlier. 12 and 6, this is a parallel and this 4 ohm resistance is in series. 12 and 6. इसका क्या हो गया? 4 ohm equivalent. 12 and 6 का जो whatever the parallel resistance of 12 and 6 plus 4, that is in series. So you will get the RThevenin is 8 ohm. Now calculate open circuit voltage. Open circuit voltage at this point. I have given voltage division rule in past note. Have you remember? Have you gone through?
Directly proportional to resistance when it is in series.
No. I have given voltage division rule and current division rule. One page is given in the note.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you read that?
Yes, ma'am. Voltage जैसे कि तो V R1 upon R1 plus R2.
R2. Okay. Here we have to calculate the voltage across 2 ohm, VOC.
Yes, ma'am.
Here Vx we have to calculate. What is the Vx?
Yes, ma'am.
Then
So here R1 resistance 2 into 10
upon R1 plus R2.
R1 plus R2. 2
That
plus
is
8.
2 plus 8. So 2 volt. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, Thevenin's theorem here. Now, here again, what is the another method to calculate the RThevenin? There is another method also. By that, you can calculate RThevenin. If in some cases it may be that cumbersome job to find RThevenin by reducing the resistive network with the source deactivated. Suppose 50 resistances in the circuit and 10 sources are there, then it will take more time. You can't calculate it. Sorry. And that will be very complicated. So in that case, we have done that what will be the short circuited current at the load point? What will be the load circuit current, the short circuit current, where we will reduce the load resistance, that end will be short circuited. Here it is given ISS. If ISS is known and we are knowing VThevenin, then we can calculate VThevenin by ISS. That will give the RThevenin. This is another process that is not mixed with that. But very basic principle is that if you are understanding how can I calculate RThevenin and V open circuit voltage at the point where load resistance is omitted, then there is no difficulty and you can calculate easily. Okay, so this is another method anyone can do by this, but this is not necessary. Now, here in the second example, given circuit, how we can calculate by short circuited the RThevenin by short circuiting the load point. Suppose, please see this problem and tell me, anyone has problem or not? Please feel free to ask. No one is asking. It means no one has problem. Okay. Now, come on this point. This one is the second example. This one is here. One is voltage source and one is current source. Here, this one is voltage source and this one is current source. And you have to find out the current, voltage and power across A and B. Please calculate it and tell me. Problem is this, for this circuit, you have to calculate the voltage, current and power across 17 ohm resistance or terminal A and B. Am I audible? आप लोग सुन रहे हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ये
ma'am.
कैलकुलेट कीजिए 17 ओम के क्रॉस आपको वोल्टेज, करंट एंड पावर, 3 पैरामीटर्स you have to calculate. How can you calculate? First of all, omit 17 ohm resistance. Step 1. Second step, you have to find out the RThevenin. For that, you will open circuit this current source and short circuit this voltage source. Then calculate RThevenin. Next, you have to calculate the voltage across A and B. What will
Ma'am,
be the
14.
14 ohm. What 14?
4 ohms. 4 ohms.
R Thevenin.
R Thevenin 4 ohms.
4 ohms. Okay. Now calculate the voltage across A and B. Open circuit voltage. When 17 ohm is not connected. When 17 ohm is not connected. What is the VThevenin? VThevenin is VThevenin calculate किए?
And 2.6 volts.
Huh?
2.6 volt.
No. Here, this slide is showing to you. VThevenin is 31 volt. VThevenin is 31 volt.
Okay. Made a mistake.
Actually, this current is flowing through 10 ohm. What is drop at point A and B? So 1.5 into 10 plus across 20 ohm resistance. What will be the drop? So यहाँ पे voltage drop here. You can apply voltage division rule. 20 into 20 upon 20 plus 5. This is the first method. Second method you can convert is this current source into voltage source. Do you know voltage source conversion? Source conversion is known to you?
No,
No, ma'am.
ma'am.
Here, this one is current source. This current source is 1.5 ampere. ठीक है? And 10 ampere is parallel to it. Always, when current source is given, there will be one resistance that will be connected in parallel. And when voltage source is given, there will be one resistance that is connected in series. So you can convert it 10 into 1.5, 15 volt source with series of 10 ohm resistance. So you can put here 15 volt with 10 ohm resistance, then there will be two loop. But don't go that point, or you can do it by this way, that what is voltage drop at A? That is 10 into 1.5 plus what is A to B? That is what is voltage drop across 20 ohm. 20 ohm के cross drop होगा 20 into 20 upon 20 plus 5. 31 volt. That is the VThevenin. Now, here VThevenin is 31 volt, RThevenin is 14 ohm, and here 17 ohm resistance, which one was reduced from the network. So, what is the I across this? 31 upon 14 plus 17. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
31
Yes,
upon
ma'am.
14 plus 17 means current will be 1 ampere. Current
Yes,
through
ma'am.
this network will be 1 ampere.
Yes, ma'am.
Voltage
Yes,
drop across
Yes, ma'am.
17 ohm is 17 volt.
17 volt.
Power will be I square R. I square R means 1 square into 17. 17 watt. Okay. Now, I have given one in the note, there is dependent and independent source. Dependent and independent source. Have you seen that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Dependent source का क्या था symbol? Parallelogram. Dependent source का parallelogram था.
Yes, ma'am.
और independent का क्या था? Circle था.
Circle था.
ठीक है? And now
Yes, ma'am.
this example is containing dependent source and independent source both. Then you have to calculate the voltage, current and power across load resistance, across terminal A and B, or 100 ohm resistance using Thevenin's theorem. How will you find out? Where dependent and independent source both are present. So independent source जो है ये 86 volt, that will be sorted. What will be about this independent source? First, remove output, whatever the load resistance, and find out the value of IS. First of all, you have to find out the value of IS so that the drop across this A and B is equal to the drop across 30 ohm and 6 IS. About this end. Is it clear? The drop across A and B will be equal to the drop across 30 ohm resistance plus this independent source that the magnitude is 6 IS. So first we will calculate IS. How can we calculate IS? By taking
Yes.
loop. By
KVL
taking
rule.
loop.
KVL rule.
KVL. What is the value of IS?
1 ampere.
1 ampere.
1 ampere. VAB equal to 6 IS plus 30 into IS.
Yes, ma'am.
36 volt. So VAB is 36 volt is equal to VThevenin.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? Now calculate the RThevenin. How will you calculate RThevenin?
Here,
Whatever the independent source, that is sorted. But which one is dependent, that cannot be short circuited and open circuited. So how we can calculate? तो यहाँ पे लिखा है, पढ़िए. We cannot find our Thevenin of the above circuits at its stance. We must apply either a voltage or current source at the load and calculate the ratio of this voltage to current to find R Thevenin. So हमको यहाँ पे अब निकालना होगा. We have to calculate current and then VThevenin by R, जो ISS आप निकाले थे पहले, उसको निकाल करके आप करेंगे. Here. Now, see here. 50 IS, now suppose here 1 ampere source is connected. Now calculate this IS. What is around the loop at the left? We write the following equation: 50 IS plus 30 IS plus 1 plus 6 IS equal to 0 and IS equal to minus 15 by 43 ampere. ये समझ में आया? नहीं आया होगा.
थोड़ा आया है.
यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं करना है. यहाँ पे आपको करना है, you have to assume a imaginary source. An imaginary source is of 1 ampere. Okay. And by that 1 ampere, we will use KVL for this loop. Here, this is 1 ampere source. It is producing 1 ampere current to 40 ampere here. And now at this point, 1 ampere, and here IS is coming. So in this 30 ohm, IS plus 1.
Yes, ma'am.
And this one is 6 IS. So you have to take the loop in this equation. So this is for the electrical engineering branch. This is in depth. No need to you people, because your branch is not electrical. So you can only use this theorem for calculating voltage, current and power across the load resistance. But you should know, when the dependent source and independent source is present, then what can we do? Simply, here you can assume one imaginary source, or second one is that calculate the loop, what will be the resistance. Here VThevenin अगर निकल जाता है, शॉर्ट सर्किट करंट ये निकल जाता है आपका, तो V by I करिएगा तो आपको RThevenin मिल जाएगा सिंपली. सो ये इसमें बहुत ज्यादा इंटर करने की जरूरत नहीं है. नाउ कम ऑन दिस पॉइंट, फाइनली VThevenin 36 volt, RThevenin 57.4, and this one is the output resistance which has been disconnected from the network. And now you can calculate the voltage across this, power across this, current across this. Now come on Norton's theorem. What is Norton's theorem? What is Norton's theorem? Same for the bilateral network. Norton's theorem, in the Norton's theorem, any bilateral network can be reduced by one Norton's equivalent current source, and in that one equivalent resistance, that is Norton's resistance. The same network, same circuit can be solved using Thevenin's theorem, using Norton's theorem. Thevenin's theorem में क्या था? Any bilateral network can be reduced by a network which has one voltage source and one resistance that is connected in series with that. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And in Norton's theorem, same network can be reduced by a network which has only one current source and one resistance which will be in parallel with that current source. मैंने इसके पहले बताया, I said earlier that if there is current source, there will be a resistance, and that resistance will be in parallel. I said it.
Yes, ma'am.
And if there is voltage source, then there will be a resistance which is connected in series. Same thing, you have to know that in the Norton's theorem, any bilateral network can be reduced by an equivalent network which has only one current source and one resistance that is connected in parallel with that. This is Norton's theorem. Okay? Now, come to the point. This is the Norton's theorem example. Suppose you have to find out that this is the network and you have to calculate Norton's equivalent across A and B. There is not only, it is sure that last point will be load resistance. We can say that you have to calculate the Norton's equivalent circuit across 60 ohm resistance. What will you do? You will do 60 ohm resistance will be omitted first, same as Thevenin's theorem. Here, since it is said that 50 ohm resistance is load resistance and you have to calculate here A to B terminal across the terminal AB, then you will have to disconnect this 50 ohm resistance and this will be sorted. This will be sorted. Here, this is sorted and you have to find out the short circuit current. That will be the Norton's current source, IN. ISS equal to IN. Now, how will you find out the short circuit current here? What will be the magnitude? Answer is 10.7 ampere. The current is here. आप +2 में पढ़े होंगे किरचॉफ्स लॉ बहुत सारा. KCL पढ़े होंगे.
Yes, ma'am.
निकालिए यहाँ पे. क्या होगा? हम हिंट दे रहे हैं. I am giving hint. Here the voltage is 50 volt at this point. Here 10 ampere. What will be the current across 20 ampere? Again, this 20 ampere is divided into two parts. Current by current division rule, you can find out the current across 40 ohm. Since this 10 and 10 ampere and 40 ohm current across 40 ohm, that will be added here. ISS equal to I40 plus 10. What will be the I40? Please tell me.
0.7.
0.7. Because this is 10. Answer is 10.7. So that will be 0.7.
Yes, ma'am.
But answer is not known. If answer is not known, how is it 0.7?
KCL, charge conservation.
Here, what is the current here? 20 ohm. Wait, 2.5.
Yes.
And that is divided here. Current division rule. When current division rule is applied, I have given current division rule. If you find out I40, then you have to take 60 by 60 plus 40 into whatever the current here, 2.5. Okay.
क्या बोला सर निकलना है
Okay, this is ISS 10.7. Calculate. You will calculate it and check it.
क्या करेंगे
How can this one is 0.7?
निकलने लगा लगू ना हाँ बोल करना
Okay. Now go through this. ISS is calculated. That is IN. And now calculate RN. What will be the value of RN? RN is current source is open circuited and voltage source is short circuited. What will be the value of RN?
60 और 20 का मैम 15 हो जाएगा
55.
यस मैम
Now 10.7 ampere is IN, Norton's current source, and in parallel with that, that is 55 ohm, that is RN. And then connect the load resistance 50. And we have to find out the current across 50 ohm, not across 55 ohm. Be careful about that. Because our task is to find out the current across 50 ohm, that is load resistance or whatever that is given. That is not 55 ohm. Now use current division rule across to find out the current here. For current division rule, if you have to find out the current across 50 ohm, then take another branch resistance 50 upon 50 plus 55 into the main current, that is 10.7. That will give the current across 50 ohm resistance. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And now whatever said that you have to calculate the voltage across this. If you have calculated current, then 50 into current, that will give voltage across AB. If power I square R, 50 into I square, whatever I is there, then that will give power. So only issue is that how we have to find out the Norton's resistance, Norton's current source, then calculate the current across the resistance or load resistance across where we have to find out the different parameters. This is the main task. And after that, you can calculate everything. Any problem in these two theorems, Thevenin's and Norton's? Anyone ask? Or your assignment is by B.L. Thereja. I have forwarded PDF of B.L. Thereja. Each and every problem of Thevenin and Norton's, you will solve it. I will give the question in next class and personally I will interact to you. Personally, I will interact to you, and if anyone has any problem, please give in WhatsApp, in group, or please ask me what is the problem. But you have to solve these all problems with these two topics, Thevenin's and Norton's. Okay?
Ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
धन्यवाद मैम
Thank you, ma'am.